Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you the latest 13.2 jailbreak for iOS. So the website we're going to go to today is jailbreaknow.org. So you want to go ahead and go to the website on your iOS device. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys directly on how to do this. So this is working as of 11/4/2019. So the first step you want to do is you want to go to the website jailbreaknow.org. Okay. As you guys can see, I do have it typed in. It's jailbreaknow.org, and I did push the search button. So you want to do this on your iOS device that you do want to jailbreak, and you want to go ahead and select the view compatibility. Okay, so this is the jailbreak city. I'm going to go ahead and select my device. So I am on the iPhone 8, and I am on version 13.2. So it's going to view compatibility. Just allow it a couple seconds to do its thing. It's going to check if your device is compatible. Just in case you selected the wrong version or something, it's going to make sure you did select everything correctly. Okay, it says compatibility successfully verified. Click the button below to begin the jailbreak process. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click the jailbreak button. And as of now, it's extracting the full version of Cydia onto your device. So guys, this is working and it's completely safe. I've tested it on multiple devices. Okay, so you do have to complete a simple human verification. There's a bunch of people doing this right now, so they have to prevent like bots and spammers from abusing the server. So it says to finalize the installation, please install 2 apps for verification and open them for 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up this first one. It's called CyberGhost VPN. And guys, just follow exactly how I do this. It's super easy to do, and it'll only take about a minute to verify this stuff. So go ahead and click open. Okay, so I do have the application open. All you got to do is click around and leave the app open. So it is currently validating. I am, as you guys can see, connected to Wi-Fi. Go ahead and turn up the brightness a little bit. Okay, you guys can see I'm on Wi-Fi. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna leave it open for a little bit longer and make sure it does confirm that I'm human. And then I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the installation page. And you want to go ahead and install a second app off this list. So let me go ahead and try Solitaire Deluxe 2. Go ahead and click open. Okay, so as you guys can see, I do have it installed as well. I'm going to go ahead and select open, and you're pretty much going to do the same thing. All you got to do is leave the app open for about 30 to 40 seconds. I'm going to go ahead. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click let's play. New game. Okay, so it looks like it's playing some type of ad here. Okay, I'm gonna let this finish up here so we can get directly into the app. This is pretty annoying, but yeah, it's super sweet, guys. This is the latest technology. It's called app injection. So I haven't seen any other methods like this. That's why I decided to create a tutorial for you guys. Okay, let me go ahead and click the X. Okay, so we're into the app now. All you gotta do is click around for 30 seconds, as I said before. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just click through here for a little bit. Okay, so it's been about 30 seconds. What you want to do now is go ahead and head back to this page. It's going to say checking completion. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sit on here for a couple seconds. Okay, so what you want to do now is go to your home screen, as I'm doing right here, and you want to swipe all the way to the right till you're on the furthest page. Okay, and as you guys can see, I do have Cydia, guys. So this is working as of 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you guys.